today we're going to go over how to make a file share, and we'll go over the basic sharing and the advanced sharing with permissions tabs for that, and then we'll do a follow-up video of how to connect to a share and how to map it. So without further ado, let's get started. First, we're going to open a file explorer. We're going to then go to C drive. I'm using C for instructional purposes. You can put it wherever you need it. If you have a server or whatever location you need to do, the principles should still apply the same. In this white space, you're going to right click. You're going to hit new and folder. For instructional purposes, I'm going to name this share. So then you'll right click on that folder and go to properties. So there's a lot of things you can do from in here, but the tab that we particularly care about for this video is sharing. So as you can see, there's a share button with network path not shared above it. And then there's an advanced sharing button. So first we'll look at the share button. You can look at the list, the 2 local users on this computer, or everyone, or I can create a new user. So let's say that I don't care about security. It's just for sharing purposes inside my house. So I'll hit everyone. I'll hit add. Then I have the option for read, write, and remove. Remove will remove this person from this list. Read is obviously read, and read write is to read and to write. Basic verbiage. So I can then hit share. Once I do this, it will share that share. And when I come back to this area, instead of not shared, it'll say shared. And instead of network path, it will say the network path to the share. So just for giggles, we'll go ahead and actually share it. So we'll say everyone, add, we'll give them read, write, and we'll hit share. It's going to take a few minutes. As you can see, it gives you the browsable location to this share. So it's Chris //Chris /share. So I can click done. And it now says that here underneath network path, as you can see. So we can take this and take it to a second file explorer and put it in there, and boom. Here is the folder in share form. We can also, now that we've gotten it in a basic share, we can come back to this tab and we can look at, oh, it gets off of there, thank you, advanced sharing. So it is already shared. If you haven't done the original share, this box will be unchecked. You will need to check it, and then it'll ask you to select the name for the share. Because there's already a name on it from the original time I shared it, it's just a drop down, but it will be a line for you to put information. How many simultaneous users can connect, and comments. Then you can come here to permissions, and you see that Chris administrators has full control. If I want to and I don't see the user I'm looking for, I can go add and search locally for a user, or if you're in a domain environment, you can actually click this locations button and switch it to your domain. So like at work, I'm C Christian, and I would hit check names. It would check with the domain and fill C Christian at domain name.local, and then I could click OK and then apply permissions to a domain account as well. I think that's basically it for the basics of sharing a folder for this video. In the next one, like I said, we'll work on connecting and mapping on another machine so that you can see that kind of practical application. But I guess I'll talk to you guys in the next one.